Hi guys, today is the first day of Water Festival in Myanmar. Since we can't go back to our country to celebrate, we are just having fun here at Yijianxin. We're selling foods and books. This is Unyotan. He is trying to teach us how to dance like Donald Trump. It's trendy now. There is a customer right now. We have to stop for a while. There are so many kids in our neighborhood. They always come and play in front of our shop. Now they are joining with us right here. This is such a water festival vibes. Everyone having fun, dancing, laughing, just enjoying the moments. I just hope I don't get a copyright strike for using this background song in this video. Alright, here we go. I am going to join with them to have some fun too. Most of the music we are playing here is Water Festival song. The one we always play during the festival is like national soundtrack we hear every year. If this video ends up being a bit long, I hope you understand. This is such a special memory for all the apps, for all of Myanmar. That's why I want to share it and keep it as a memory. These kids are always taking my phone, dancing TikTok and uploading to my YouTube shorts on their owns. I can't stop them. It's just part of the fun, I guess. They are like family to me. Even though we have so many things going on right now, knowing how to have fun feels like blessing in disguise. Am I right? Even since we are living and working in another country, I feel really lucky to have people like them in my life. So happy Wasta Festival, Happy New Year. Thank you for watching.